When I started my tech business, I needed funding, and I got my jumpstart from Fairfax County's Fairfax Founders Fund. Fairfax County is offering competitive grants to entrepreneurs like me who work in emerging technology and need a little bit of help getting to the next level. Not loans, but grants. And I don't have to give away any of my company's equity to get it. And it's not just any grant. It's an on-ramp to the world of tech-based entrepreneurship. This early capital has made it possible to get the support I need to make my vision a reality. I made my pitch to the Fairfax Founders Fund advisors. I was worried there'd be too much red tape and forms, but it wasn't like that. Applying was easy, and I got it. That led to financial support and technical assistance from experts to meet my milestones. And I can use that money for what my company needs, like developing sales and legal services to meet my goals. The support from Fairfax County made my company a better bet for other investors, and I'm creating jobs as my business grows. With a little help from Fairfax County, I'm on my way to changing the world and making my wildest dreams come true. You can too. Visit fairfaxcounty.gov and search Fairfax Founders Fund to learn more.